welcome to yet another live stream here. And this is a live stream being hosted in collaboration with Neemly and Abby. Hi everyone again, a very happy good Saturday to all of you. My name is Saloni Kota and I am your shopping expert here with Abby. I'm also a fashion blogger and I create content around fashion, beauty, skincare, everything. So let me introduce to you our another expert here.
Hi guys, my name is Megha Agarwal. I am from Bangalore. I am a fashion model, a content creator, an entrepreneur and your shopping expert for the categories of fashion, skincare and lifestyle. How are you guys doing today? So many of you joining in. Hi Ashu here. Hi Jonty3900.
Hi Shweta.
So guys, Neemly Naturals is a homegrown, handcrafted beauty brand. It was based out of Mumbai and it was founded by a very famous Indian actress Rameshwari Seth and her son Bhaskara Seth. So the brand really believes in making truly effective products for you all. They are 100% chemical free. It is FDA certified, PETA certified. The brand does not use any minerals, parabens, sulfates in their products, so which is a great thing.
We already in our last live streams we have already talked about oily skin concerns, dry skin concerns, and what are the best products for both oily and dry skin. Now what we are offering today is another concern, a concern which is very evident. बहुत लोगों को ये होता है but बहुत लोगों को ये पता नहीं होता है कि उनको ये concern है. So I am talking about melasma and hyperpigmentation. So guys, this is a skin condition जहाँ पे हमारी जो skin है, it starts appearing dark. Patches में all over your face or even your neck, dark spots can develop. And melasma is mainly concerned with hormonal imbalance. So pregnant women या फिर even aging के साथ such issues can be seen on your face. Not only that Megha, but hyperpigmentation की भी जब मैं बात करूँ तो बहुत सारे factors जैसे pollution है, अभी इतना गर्मी, धूप and not wearing the right kind of products can also cause hyperpigmentation.
That's very true. I think a lot of our audience also will be going through such concerns.
Exactly.
Solve these concerns for you.
So guys, see for me personally, I do suffer from hyperpigmentation and it's very real. I develop dark spots and वो जो दाग धब्बे बोलते हैं ना, it just happens on my face. So I think it can happen on your face as well. So guys, if you suffer from something like that, then please do let us know.
Yeah, Saloni, maybe you can show them a picture. A lot of them don't know melasma कैसा दिखता है. हो सकता है आप लोगों को वो हो, but you don't really know that it's termed as melasma. So maybe
guys, just to give you a quick reference, this is how your skin can look when you are suffering from melasma. So basically आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे dark patchy skin हो जाता है and it can trigger on all over your face, even your neck, and it's an issue that is very common. So I think Soumya over here says that she is having acne scars and hyperpigmentation. So Soumya, I can relate with you, trust me. But what we have here is a solution for your issues like this. But before that, why don't we tell our lovely audience that what is their advantage in today's live stream?
Awesome. So guys, amazing products तो है ही है आपके लिए, but there's a great offer also आपके लिए. Buy one get one का offer है आज. सलोनी आप हमेशा excited हो जाती हो.
मैं इतना excited हो जाती हूँ guys. This is a thing that is going to happen. So but guys, you have a amazing offer today. We have this buy one and get one offer. So on all of the products, you can actually get one product for yourselves and you're getting the other product
absolutely
free. So it's a steal deal guys.
Yes, and this offer guys is valid only till tomorrow. So कल रात 12 बजे तक ही ये offer valid है. So if you want to shop Neemly के products, then now is the time. Buy one get one. Also don't forget सिर्फ 50 units है हमारे पास for this offer. So if you want to avail the buy one get one offer, this is the time. You will get buy one and also valid till tomorrow, 50 units only. So याद रखिए, if you have concerns like melasma, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, acne marks, you should definitely try out these, and we will be getting more into the details. We will be showing you everything, the texture of it, all of it in just a bit, so stay tuned for that.
And not only that guys, एक surprise है आप सबके लिए. So guys, you can also be the lucky winner of a hamper which can be exclusively curated for all of you guys.
Yes.
So you have to stay tuned till the end of the live where we ask a question, and if you give the right answer then you can be that lucky winner.
Yes, and also लास्ट लाइव स्ट्रीम में भी हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा था. अगर आपने हमारा लाइव स्ट्रीम लास्ट टाइम अटेंड किया था, सो यू नो कि एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था एंड उसके गिव अवे विनर्स आज हम अनाउंस करने वाले हैं. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. जस्ट इन अ बिट we will be announcing the giveaway winner also. So are you guys excited for today's show? Come on guys, show some excitement, send us some hearts. Say so
I want to make sure that आपका ये पूरा worth रहे, क्योंकि we are gonna give you some good product recommendations. So yeah, why don't we start with the very first product, and till then guys you also put in आपके क्या concerns हैं. Do you feel issues of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, दाग धब्बे जो हम बोलते हैं, please do write in the comment section. Till then I'll introduce the very first product to you, and this is the hyaluronic acid as well as ceramide face wash by Neemly Naturals, and this is how it looks. So this is the packaging guys. I absolutely love the packaging, and this face wash is really special guys because it is 100% sulfate free. It has no parabens, no nasty chemicals, no silicones, nothing like that. And also one very important thing, that this face wash has hyaluronic acid and ceramides in it, both of the ingredients which have proven to be really good for your skin. It actually locks in the moisture, makes your skin really hydrated, supple. And face wash तो एक ऐसा step है जो both morning and PM routine, that is AM and PM routine में you should definitely go ahead and do that. So this is one amazing product from Neemly Naturals. It is 100% sulfate free and free from all of the nasty chemicals. It is really mild on your face wash, very good for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin types as well. So this is the very first product that we are going to talk about today. Now let Megha tell you about the other product that we are going to talk about today.
Yes. So guys, today like we said, we are discussing concerns like hyperpigmentation and melasma. So the second one that we'll be discussing today is this 10% niacinamide concentrate. So this is great for pigmented areas, to clear out the blemishes, dark spots on your skin. At the same time, it's giving you a very even tone, reducing acne marks. So this is good. It's also hydrating your skin. So this is a 15 ml bottle that we have for you, and yeah, you can use it both during the day and at night, and it will definitely give you great results if you try. Just stay for some more time. मैं थोड़ी देर में इन सब products को आपको अपने हाथ पे demo करके दिखाऊंगी, so you get to know what is the texture of it and what it looks like, right? So yes, the third one for today will be,
yeah, so up tak we have showed you a face wash, niacinamide concentrate. Now let us talk about melasma and one product that can help you treat melasma, and this is that product, and this is the tranexamic acid spot correcting concentrate by Neemly Naturals. This is their 10% variant, and this is the 10% tranexamic acid. So tranexamic acid is one such ingredient which is very new in the entire skincare regime, but it has proven to give you great benefits. It actually brightens up your skin, and it does so by inhibiting the melanin production. So melanin हमको पता है कि it's the pigment in our skin जो हमारे color tone basically decide करता है. So it will help you reduce that, and उसके वजह से आपके dark spots, pigmented areas, hyperpigmented areas, all of those areas can be cured. And this is one such product, again from Neemly Naturals. This is their 10% tranexamic acid. This is how it looks like. Again, it comes with a very nice bottle with a dropper shape, very easy to apply, and this you can apply also at the morning and night, but we recommend you to apply it in the morning. You need to be really patient with the results, but we are sure that results will be there with all of you. So guys, this is the third product that we are going to talk about today. And
we have another one which is the hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. Guys, इसके बारे में तो हम शायद शुरुआत से ही बात कर रहे हैं. This is their best selling product. So it is a hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. So if you are looking for concerns like skin damage, dullness, dryness, spot correction, all of this packed in this one little bottle, which I think is amazing. So this to add on with the
other products,
that we just discussed,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So you can use this as an add-on to see a boost of results. So again, yes, this is priced at 1199, but you are getting an offer which is buy one and get one.
Guys.
So I think it's a great offer. अगर आपको कोई भी products खरीदना है, आपको एक के साथ एक free मिल रहा है, but offer valid till tomorrow only.
Yeah, so you need to really hurry up because आपको ऐसा offer फिर मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, it's very unlikely. So you have to hurry up and get yourselves these amazing products. And we also have a sunscreen recommendation for you. And yeah, so
yes, so this one मैंने अपने last live stream में भी इस sunscreen के बारे में बात किया था. It's an amazing sunscreen. Just spray it on and you're good to go. So it's great for all skin types and it is in a liquid format. थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको ये दिखाने वाली भी हूँ. It has aloe extracts also, which will protect your skin from sun damage. Like I said, सारे skin types के लिए this is good and you should definitely try because this is also one of their best-selling products. So yeah, it protects you from UVA and UVB rays. So UVA is associated with skin aging and UVB is associated with skin burning.
Okay.
So this sunscreen is great for that. It will protect you from both aging and burning. So I think it's great. Yeah,
so these were all of the products. Now very quickly I'm going to show you all of the products, let you know how you can shop these products. So the first one was the face wash and this is the hyaluronic. And guys, 2 units have already been sold. So
Wow.
हम अभी बात ही कर रहे थे, 2 यूनिट ऑलरेडी जा चुकी है. तो guys, you need to really hurry and get yourselves these.
Yeah, for people who are just joining in Saloni, they must be wondering what is 2 units and क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं हम. So guys, we started off the live stream with 50 units. तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 50 यूनिट है for this offer and we've already sold 2 units. So you're left with 48 units and the offer is valid till tomorrow. But since we have limited stocks, we don't know कि कब तक ये products available रहेंगे. So I think you should definitely take the opportunity now. And Saloni, हमने इतना कुछ बोल दिया, अभी तक इन्हें ये नहीं बताया कि shopping
लेना कैसे है. Yeah.
So
how you can shop is basically you can type in SHOP in the comments and you can get, our team will get in touch with you to send you the links for these products and you can get your hands on these products. Also you can tap on the link in the bio to get all of these products with you. So guys, hurry up because as we told you that 50 units से हमने start किया था and already 2 units जा चुकी हैं. So you need to really hurry up. And thank you so much again for joining in. So many people have joined in. Neeraj, hi. Thank you so much for joining in. She says that please show sunscreen on skin too. I want to see the texture so bad.
just in a bit.
Just in a bit.
Yes.
We are gonna do
Stay
that.
tuned. Yes. We will be doing that because that is the point of live shopping, right? So we will be showing you the texture. We will tell you everything about it, the ingredients and how it works on the skin. So yes,
Shrishti over here says that I think all of your 50 units will finish today only because all of them are so good. I am hoping that, guys, because you guys know we bring good products to you and this is again your good products from our side. So guys, also tell us where are you from and do you have any concerns or any issues that we can address today.
yeah, and if you have like oily skin concerns, dry skin concerns, you can definitely watch out our last live streams. वो नींदली के Insta page पे है saved, so you can definitely watch out those and the product recommendations because buy one get one offer है, so you will get buy one get one deal. So I think it's a great time. Hi Bushra, hi Sun.
Guys, and stay tuned because we have really good products and really good offers as well. So yeah, we are going to start with the very first product that I showed you. This is the face wash that we are going to show you today.
Also, sorry to interrupt you, Saloni,
Yeah.
but I would like to let our users know कि अगर आप लोगों को डेमो के दौरान कोई भी questions है, please put it down in the comments, because we have Abby support and Neemly support team here. Just in case we miss out your questions, the team is here. They are reading your questions. If not these products, कोई और भी products है, अगर आप पूछना चाहते हैं कोई भी सवाल, please put it down in the comments, and the brand is here to answer your queries.
We all are here to solve all of your concerns because we love you, and we have again showing you all of these amazing products. So the very first product is a face wash, and face wash is a must in any skincare routine, be it AM or PM. This is the hyaluronic acid and ceramide face wash from Neemly Naturals. So this face wash has hyaluronic acid, which is one such ingredient जिसके बारे में हम तारीफ करते नहीं थकते हैं, because it is truly a magic ingredient. आपके स्किन में जितना भी नरिशमेंट है, मॉइस्चर है, so actually पता है मेघा, hyaluronic acid is actually present in your skin, but as we grow old and जैसे environmental issues आते हैं, pollution आता है, we tend to lose hyaluronic acid. And this is where these products come in. So hyaluronic acid again gives you good moisture on your skin, makes your skin soft and supple. And not only that, this particular face wash also has ceramides in it. So ceramides are basically skin replenishing ingredients, and they create kind of a barrier onto your skin. So for example, अगर आपकी ये skin है, तो ceramide will form a barrier like this, जिससे pollution, sunlight, sun issues, ये सारे आपकी skin को कुछ भी effect ना करें. Not only that, this particular face wash, which Megha is going to show you on the back of her hand, also has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide has amazing skin correcting, pore minimizing properties. तो जो हमारा जैसे I suffer from oily skin tone and I do have enlarged pores. So niacinamide again is a good ingredient for that, and not only that, it also has pepper extract in it. तो pepper extract के कारण this face wash will basically give you anti-inflammatory action as well. So Megha is going to show you the demo. As you can see, this is a very amazing consistency, guys. It's a gel-like consistency and बहुत easily आपके पूरे face पे it will spread. It is 100% sulfate free. सोप फ्री रहेगा, 100% सल्फेट फ्री रहेगा, नो पैराबेन्स, नो नास्टी केमिकल्स. आपको पता है आप आपकी स्किन में अच्छी कोई चीज लगा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ द फेस वॉश इज. अगेन इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग. अब यहाँ पे पूरा एक अरोमा बन चुका है. इट स्मेल्स रियली गुड एंड यू कैन यूज इट इन बोथ AM and PM, and trust me guys, it is good for all of the skin types. So be it oily skin like mine or sensitive skin, this is a very nice face wash. It will really clear all of the dirt and grim inside your pores. So this is how the face wash is going to look like. And what do you think, Megha?
I think it's very lightweight. So it is actually a very lightweight consistency. So what it's doing is, Saloni, it's not washing away the natural oils of your skin.
Exactly.
But
yeah.
at the same time, it's keeping your skin hydrated also. And I think that is very important for a face wash, right?
So most of the face washes which are there in the market, they have a very drying formula. आपका face एकदम dry और खिंचा लग सकता है. But this face wash will make sure कि बहुत ही soft, supple and moisturized रहे. So this is the face wash that you are getting from Neemly Naturals. Again, this is their highlight. अगर आपने face wash कर लिया, अब next क्या step होना चाहिए?
So you will see, if we are, like we said, we are targeting your dark spots, hyperpigmented areas, we are targeting melasma as a concern today. So we have this 10% niacinamide clarity concentrate that we'll be discussing. But again guys, don't forget, हम जितना भी बोल रहे हैं buy one get one offer है आज. So don't miss out on that. अगर आप लोगों ने, I think बहुत लोगों ने shopping already start कर दी है. So yes guys, this offer is valid only till tomorrow, but limited stocks है, don't forget that. So like I was saying, 10% niacinamide clarity concentrate है. So Saloni ने अभी हमें niacinamide के बारे में बताया है. We've been discussing about niacinamide also. So niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. So this actually protects your skin from, or it helps you reduce the pigmented areas on your skin. If you have dark spots, acne marks, blemishes, any of that, it works to improve that on your skin. Plus also it protects us from sun damage and it gives you an even skin tone. So I think that is what a lot of us want, right?
Yeah.
We don't like seeing dark spots on our skin.
Yeah.
So a lot of you maybe बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता है कि we are suffering from pigmented areas, like even for me for that matter.
Yeah.
But then you need to use the right kind of products to see the difference on your skin. So this is the 10% niacinamide clarity concentrate and it's a 15 ml bottle that I have for you. And if you guys definitely want to try this, you can try it during the day, you can try it at night. It's great for all skin types.
All skin types. So if you have oily skin or dry skin, you can use this serum for you. And Megha is going to show you how the serum looks like and what's the consistency.
Yeah, so it comes in a dropper bottle. Just look at this. And it comes in a gel-like consistency. So it's not very liquidy. It's not dripping down fast. But you can see this. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही drop डाला and it is a clear gel-like consistency. And you will slowly massage it onto your skin.
So you can see कि कितना easily absorb भी हो जा रहा है. I mean, she is not rubbing it vigorously. बहुत ही softly she is rubbing it and still it got absorbed in the skin.
Yes.
So you can, at the same time, you can also use the dropper to add, say 1 drop on your right cheek, 1 drop on your left cheek, 1 drop on the forehead, and just very slowly massage it like this, very slowly all over your face like this, and then you can see the results.
Yeah, see, you can also see that light glow and hydrated effect this is giving. It's not drying your skin like because ये एक treatment product है, it's not drying out your skin. So that I think is great about this one. And like we said, offer है. Can you pass me these Saloni? We show them कि pricing क्या है and offer क्या है.
So there is this buy one and get one offer, guys, and this is a limited period offer. ये सिर्फ आज रात तक रहने वाला है, तो you have to go ahead and get yourself these products, क्योंकि एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ एक प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल ही मुफ्त मिल रहा है, guys.
Absolutely. And Saloni, so हमने फेस वॉश के बारे में बात किया. We have spoken about this niacinamide concentrate. So ये हम मोस्टली दिन में recommend कर सकते हैं लोगों को. And after which I think you can directly apply your sunscreen and step out. So sunscreen के बारे में हम अभी discuss कर ही रहे थे. It's an SPF 30+ sunscreen and this is their best selling product. I'll show you the.
But before that, Megha, you just open the lid. Till then, I'm gonna take up few questions. So we have so many people joining in. We have Shrishti, Shreya Jagdish, vitamin C serum. It just get delivered day before yesterday. Thank you so much, Shrishti, for actually going ahead and purchasing this. And we are so hopeful that you're gonna see great results really soon. And we have few questions as well. So Sonal Gupta says that. Do your pit repair serum works? And
I think she means vitamins.
Yeah, maybe. And slowly and steadily you're gonna see the results.
That's true.
So yeah, you can show them the sunscreens, and I'm gonna very quickly look at few more comments.
Yes, sure. So guys, we just discussed about the niacinamide concentrate. So after that, after applying the concentrate for your dark spots and pigmented areas, you can then, because you're using that during the day, you can start using the sunscreen. So the sunscreen, let me show you the consistency. This is the best thing about Neemly ke sunscreen is that it comes in a spray bottle, which I am in love with. So I'll just show this, spray a bit on the hand. Just see that. Can you see how well it's come out? तो ये बहुत कम क्वांटिटी यूज होती है because it's a spray it's a liquid consistency, spray में आ रहा है and it's great to treat your dark spots as well. It will protect you from sun damage. So this is the consistency. बहुत ही कम quantity आपको लेनी होगी because of the consistency that it comes in. So
also one another good thing with spray sunscreens is you need to reapply your sunscreen. तो Neemly का एक बहुत ही perfect formulation है. When you are out, you are on the go, you can actually spray it on your face and then you can be ready again. So this is one amazing product and it's a very must product. And जो हम hyperpigmentation और melasma की बात कर रहे हैं, I think this sunscreen is one product that you need to definitely apply if you're going to treat yourself for melasma and hyperpigmentation. And हमारे पास अभी जो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो आपका जो ये इशू है हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन डार्क स्पॉट्स का, इट कैन वर्क फॉर दोज एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू आर गोना गेट दिस सनस्क्रीन या फेस वॉश फ्री. So the product that I'm going to talk about is this beautiful product. This is the 10% tranexamic acid spot correcting concentrate from Neemly, and this is a bottle that you're going to get. This retails for 499 rupees. You can click on the link in the bio, or you can type in SHOP, that is shop, and our team will get in touch with you. So this is one such product that can actually help you in treating melasma. It has tranexamic acid, 10% tranexamic acid in it. It is a highly concentrated formulation, but at the same time it is very less irritating. So it will not irritate your skin, but at the same time can give you effects. And guys, मैं आपसे बात कर ही रही थी तब तक मुझे पता चला है कि 40 units have already been sold. Guys.
No, you're getting too excited. 40 units are still left, guys. Don't worry. 10 units are sold out. So yeah,
I am hoping in the future, seeing in the future that I am able to see that 40 units are sold, guys.
Yeah, that's because of the kind of the quality of these products and the effect they have on the skin, right?
So guys, the offer is valid for just today midnight, and you are getting this amazing buy one and get one offer, guys. So that आप आपके लिए ये tranexamic acid serum concentrate ले सकते हैं, and at the same time you can buy a sunscreen or a face wash or another niacinamide concentrate. So guys, this is the product that I was talking to you about, and it comprises of 10% tranexamic acid. Now tranexamic acid is again a brightening agent. तो ये बेसिकली अंदर से आपके स्किन के इनर लेयर्स से वर्क करता है, एंड इट विल हेल्प यू रिड्यूस द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेलानिन, जिससे डार्क स्पॉट्स फेड हो सकते हैं. एट द सेम टाइम हाइपर पिगमेंटेड एरियाज भी ये ट्रीट करता है. एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट मेलास्मिक एरियाज, मेलास्मा जिस एरियाज में होता है, डार्क पैचेस होते हैं, इट कैन ट्रीट दैट. And guys, one very important thing about this is कि जो other bleaching agents होते हैं जैसे हाइड्रोक्विनोन है, it's a very out there bleaching agent, and उसके तरह ये नहीं है, क्योंकि this will not cause you irritation. It is concentrated in a very nice botanical broth, जिससे ये make sure होता है कि आपका skin को irritation ना हो. So this is one such product, and I think Megha can show you the swatch really quickly as well. And guys, the offer is valid till, you can see guys, the offer is valid till 28th midnight, guys. 28th midnight, that is tomorrow midnight. So आज midnight नहीं, कल midnight तक ये offer चलेगा, and this is buy one and get one offer. So Megha will show you the swatch, guys.
Yes, so guys, this is again dropper में आता है, just this, and it is the same gel-like consistency. ये आपके दूसरे जो niacinamide concentrates है उससे थोड़ा सा पतला है.
It's a bit more watery, and again you can apply it on all over your face by cleaning your face first with the face wash, and then you can apply it. You need to be really patient with the results, क्योंकि 4 से 12 week लग सकते हैं for this concentrate to show its results. But you have to be really consistent, and at the same time really be patient.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Sorry, Saloni.
No, but because see, कोई भी अच्छी चीज बहुत जल्दी नहीं आ जाती है, and हमारे सब बड़े लोग बोलते थे ना कि इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है. So you have to be really patient with this, and अगर मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि 4 to 12 weeks में रिजल्ट आता है, तो guys you can actually stock up on the product. You can buy one and get one product of this tranexamic acid, which is the product which will basically help you treat melasma. It targets melasmic areas and is a really good product for all of the skin types.
Also, yeah, like Saloni, last time we had a question if it is safe for pregnant women. So yes, this is pretty safe for pregnant women also. So a lot of times during pregnancy also you start seeing dark spots, and you know the picture that we showed you just some time back, you know melasma condition या pigmented areas हमें pregnancy के दौरान भी आता है. So something like
this, guys. So it's very evident and it's very common. So this 10% tranexamic acid concentrate, which is a spot correcting concentrate by Neemly Naturals, can actually target these areas, and you can see visible results in 4 to 12 weeks. So you can actually get both of these products, actually all of these products at an amazing buy one and get one offer.